Hello, here is our prompt for the week. One of the gravest tragedies that can befall a person is to go through life living for oneself alone, to be one of the people who do things only because of the personal benefits that it may bring to them, irrespective of what the outcome may mean to others. It might look normal to them when they embark on a journey of life in such a self-seeking way, but they always arrive at a moment in their lives when they come to the realization that they had been existing all along but not living, because to live is to give, and to exist for oneself alone is to be dead to others. So choose to be helpful, to be generous with your gifts, to share your time and talents with others. When you work, do it with the joy of knowing that there are others who would benefit from it, and that by thinking of others, you are adding a breath of life to the survival of humanity. Together with generosity, embrace integrity. Integrity is not a robe to be worn and removed at will. It is a light that actuates in our very essence, that should be kept aglow to illumine our character and brighten the world around us. When all else is gone, people, titles, possessions, and even life itself, the one thing that abides is integrity, and it will define the legacy we bequeath to future generations. God bless you.